Write down students problem. Find Maclaurin series MS. Sorry, MS means Maclaurin series for f of x is equal to sin x. A2 a is equal to 0. For finding Maclaurin series of the function sin x at a is equal to 0, so first we have to write formula for Maclaurin series. Okay, what is the formula? F of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by 1 factorial into x plus f double dash of 0 by 2 factorial into x square. Okay, plus f triple dash of 0 by 3 factorial into x cube plus f power fourth of 0 by 4 factorial into x power 4 plus so on plus f power n of 0 by n factorial into x power n. Okay, so first we have to find f of 0. F of 0 is nothing but sin 0. Sin 0 always 0. Okay, so next we have to find f dash of x. F dash of x, tell me derivative of sin x, cos x. Next we have to find f dash of 0. F dash of 0 is nothing but cos 0. Cos 0 always 1. Next we have to find f double dash of x. F double dash of x, derivative of cos x minus sin x. Tell me f double dash of 0 minus sin 0. Sin 0. Sin 0 always 0. F triple dash of x, derivative of minus sin x minus cos x. Okay, tell me f triple dash of 0 minus cos 0 minus 1. Similarly, tell me f power fourth derivative of x minus cos x, derivative of minus cos x, sin x. F power fourth of 0 is nothing but sin 0 always 0. Okay, substitute all these values in the above equation. Therefore f of x is nothing but sin x. Sin x is nothing but, tell me what is f of 0? F of 0 sin 0 0 plus f dash of 0 1 into x plus f double dash of 0 0 by 2 factorial into x square plus f triple dash of 0 minus 1 by 3 factorial into x cube plus f power fourth of 0 0 by 4 factorial into x power 4. Okay, similarly f power fifth of x, tell me sin x 0. Sorry. Okay, f power fifth of x is nothing but cos x. Okay, f power fifth of 0 is nothing but 1 by 1 factorial into x power 5 plus so on. Please check it here. So this is nothing but x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus, tell me next term. So here r term is there 1 3 5. So next plus minus is nothing but minus x power 7 by 7 factorial. Please check it. Okay, plus so on. So now this can be written as summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n x power 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 factorial. Please check it. Similarly, we have to find Maclaurin series for cos x at a is equal to 0. Okay, so that is homework. What is homework? Maclaurin series of f of x is equal to cos x at a is equal to 0. What is answer here? What is answer? Okay, cos x is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n x power 2 power n by 2 power n factorial. Please do it, students. Okay. Remember that all Taylor series, that means Taylor series of sin x, Taylor series of cos x, Taylor series of e power x at a is equal to 0. That is nothing but Maclaurin series. Okay. Remember that Maclaurin series of sin x, cos x, e power x or log x, anyone. Okay. This is homework. Okay, write down, students, problems. Find Maclaurin series of following functions. Okay, first one, x cos x. Already we know that Maclaurin series for cos x. Okay, so here for finding Maclaurin series for x cos x, just you have to multiply x with Maclaurin series for cos x. Okay, so here what is answer? Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n x power 2n plus 1 by 2n factorial. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the Maclaurin series or Taylor series of the function x cos x at a is equal to 0. Okay, please try it problems. Okay, don't use shortcut method. Second one, sin x square, sin of x square. Sin of x square, I will give you answer. Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n x power 4n plus 2 by 2n plus 1 factorial. Okay, sin of x square. Okay, for finding Maclaurin series for sin of x square, just you have to substitute x square with x in Maclaurin series of sin x. That's all. Third one, sin x by x. Sin x by x is nothing but summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n x power 2n by 2n plus 1 factorial. Okay, for finding Maclaurin series of sin x by x, just you have to divide by x with Maclaurin series of sin x. That's all. Please do it problems, students. Don't use shortcut method. Okay, use only shortcut method in examination, where in multiple choice questions I will give you compulsory. Okay. Write down, student, problem. Find Maclaurin series of f of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x a2 a is equal to 0. Okay. First write down Maclaurin series formula. F of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 into x plus f double dash of 0 by 2 factorial into x square plus f triple dash of 0 by 3 factorial into x cube plus f fourth of 0 by 4 factorial into x power 4 plus so on plus f power n of 0 by n factorial into x power n. So first you have to find f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, f triple dash of 0, f fourth of 0. Similarly f power n of 0. Okay. So here tell me f of 0. F of 0 is nothing but 1. Please check it. F dash of x, tell me. Derivative of 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Tell me f dash of 0. F dash of 0 is nothing but minus 1 by 1 plus 0 whole square is nothing but minus 1. Tell me f double dash of x. Derivative of minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. 2 by 1 plus x whole cube. Please check it. F double dash of 0. 2. Similarly, tell me f triple dash of x is nothing but minus x by 1 plus x whole power 4. Tell me f triple dash of 0 is nothing but minus 6. So this is nothing but 2 factorial. This is nothing but minus 3 factorial. Tell me f power fourth of x. That means fourth derivative of the function f of x. Tell me. Okay. 24 by 1 plus x whole power 5. Tell me f power 4 of 0. 24. 24 is nothing but 4 factorial. Tell me f power n of x. F power n of x, tell me. So here n factorial by 1 plus x whole power n plus 1. Okay. F fourth of x is nothing but 24. 24 is nothing but 4 factorial by 1 plus x whole power 5. So this is nothing but 4 factorial by 1 plus x whole power 5. Okay. Okay. Similarly, f n of x is nothing but n factorial by 1 plus x n plus 1. Now tell me f n of 0. F n of 0 is nothing but n factorial. N factorial. Okay. Or minus, sorry, f n of 0 is nothing but minus 1 whole power n factorial. Okay, see, let us see. So now, what is the Maclaurin series? F of x is equal to f of 0 is nothing but 1, f dash of 1 is nothing but minus 1 into x plus f double dash of 0 is nothing but 2 by 2 factorial x square. F triple dash of 0 is nothing but minus 6 by 3 factorial into x cube. Okay. Plus f fourth of 0 is nothing but plus 24 by 4 factorial into x power 4 plus so on. Okay. So now this is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube 3 factorial 6 get cancelled plus 4 factorial 24 get cancelled plus 24 plus to so on. Tell me what is the nth term? Okay. So here alternative term is there. So what is the nth term? Minus 1 whole power n into x power n. Okay. So minus 1 whole power n into x power n. Okay. So this can be written as summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n into x power n. Okay. For verification, please check it. For n is equal to 0, what of n? For n is equal to 0, minus 1 whole power 0, 1, x power 0, 1, 1. Okay. For n is equal to 1, for n is equal to 1, minus 1, 1 into x power 1 is nothing but minus x. Okay. For n is equal to 2, minus 1 whole square into x square is nothing but plus x square. For n is equal to 3, minus 1 whole cube into x cube is nothing minus x cube. Okay. So this is correct. Okay. Don't confuse. Please check it and write down. That's all. Okay. Taylor series of, Maclaurin series or Taylor series of 1 by 1 plus x at a is equal to 0 is 1 by 1 plus x at a is equal to 0 is summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n into x power n. Tell me students, homework. Tell me Maclaurin series of 1 by 1 minus x. Tell me. Please think. Tell me Maclaurin series of 1 by 1 minus x. Okay. For finding Maclaurin series of 1 by 1 minus x, just you have to replace x with minus x in Maclaurin series of 1 by 1 plus x. That's all. Tell me summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n x with minus x whole power n is nothing but n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n into minus x whole power n is nothing but minus 1 whole power n into x power n. Okay, minus 1 whole power n minus x whole power n is nothing but minus 1 whole power n into x power n. That means minus 1 whole power n into minus 1 whole power n into x power n is nothing but minus 1 whole power 2n into x power n. Therefore, summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power 2n always 1 x power n. Therefore, Maclaurin series of 1 by 1 minus x is nothing but summation n is equal to 0 to infinity x power n. That's all. Please check it. Any doubt? So now I will give you some problems regarding to this concept. Okay, find Maclaurin series of following functions. I will give you answers. Okay, first one 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, please do it. What is the answer? Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 by whole power n into x power 2n. Second one 1 by 1 minus x square. What is the answer? Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity, okay, x power 2n. Write down problem, students. Find Maclaurin series of f of x is equal sin hx at a is equal to 0. Okay, how to find the Maclaurin series of the function sin hx? Okay, so here I will explain in simple method. Please do it problems. Please do follow problems. Please do follow, students. What is the formula for sin hx? Hyperbolic sine function. Tell me. Sin hx is nothing but e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Okay, already we know that Maclaurin series of e power x and e power minus x. Okay, so first write down Maclaurin series of e power x and e power minus x. Okay. Tell me Maclaurin series of e power x. E power x, tell me. Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity x power n by n factorial is nothing but 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on plus x power n by n factorial. Okay. Similarly, write down Maclaurin series of e power minus x. Tell me e power minus x. E power minus x is nothing but summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n x power n by n factorial is nothing but 1 minus x plus x square by 2 factorial minus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. Next, write down e power x minus e power minus x. That means 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. Okay, minus e power minus x is nothing but minus 1 plus x minus x square by 2 factorial plus x cube by 3 factorial plus so on. So here minus 1 get cancelled, x square by 2 factor, x by 2 cancel. Next, x power 4 by 4 factorial, x power 4 by 4 factorial get cancelled. So here finally we get 2x plus 2x cube by 3 factorial. Next term, tell me 2x power 5 by 5 factorial plus so on. So next we have to find e power x minus e power minus x by 2 is nothing but x plus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial plus so on. So this can be written as summation n is equal to 0 to infinity x power 2n plus 1 by 2n plus 1 factorial. Okay, odd terms is nothing but 2n plus 1. Even terms is nothing but 2n. Okay, so next we have to find Maclaurin series for cos hx. Okay, cos hx, I will give you answer. Okay, summation n is equal to 0 to infinity x power 2n by 2n factorial. What is the formula for cos hx? E power x plus e power minus x by 2. Okay, do follow this method. Okay, in examination no problem this type of problems. Okay, but don't use shortcut methods, don't write direct answer. Okay, and now I will give you some problems, please do it students. First one, find Taylor series of f of x is equal to e power x at a is equal to 1. Okay, answer summation n is equal to 0 to infinity e by n factorial into x minus 1 whole power n. Second one, find Maclaurin series of the following functions. First one, ln of 1 plus x. Okay, find a Maclaurin series of the function ln of 1 plus x. So here what is the answer? Summation n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 whole power n minus 1 by n into x power n. Okay, so here polynomial function is x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x power 4 by 4 plus so on. Second one, tan x. Do it tan x. Okay, what is tan x? X plus x cube by 3 plus 2 into x power 5 by 15 plus so on. Okay, so here in this problem just you have to find fifth derivative of the function f of x. Okay, that's all. Third one, tan inverse x. Tan inverse x, tell me. Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power n x power 2n plus 1 by only 2n plus 1. So here polynomial function is x minus x cube by 3 plus x power 5 by 5 minus x power 7 by 7 plus so on. Next fourth one, log of 1 minus x. Log of 1 minus x. Okay, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. So here minus is there, minus x power n by n. That is nothing but minus of x plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus so on. Please do it problems students, very important. Remember Taylor series of all functions or Maclaurin series of all functions. Okay. Okay students, now we are going to discuss about Taylor's formula with remainder. Write down Taylor's formula with remainder. Okay, students, just remember this statement, that means Taylor's formula with remainder. Write down, if f of x has derivatives of all orders in an open interval I, containing A. Then for each positive integer n and for each x and x in I, x in I, x in I, f of x is equal to f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a plus f double dash of a by 2 factorial into x minus a whole square plus so on plus f power n of a by n factorial into x minus a whole power n plus Rn of x. Let us name this as equation 1. Okay. Therefore, f of x is equal to Tn of x plus Rn of x, where Rn of x is equal to f power n plus 1 of c by n plus 1 factorial into x minus a whole power n plus 1 for all a less than c less than x. Here Rnx is called remainder of order n or error term for the function of f of x by Tn of x over I. Okay, first write down Taylor's formula with remainder. If f of x has derivatives of all orders in an open interval I which containing a, then for each positive integer n and for each x in capital I, then f of x is equal to f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a plus f double dash of a by 2 factorial into x minus a whole square plus so on plus f power n of a by n factorial into x minus a whole power n plus Rn of x. Okay, let us name this as equation 1. Here the equation 1 can be written as, that means f of x can be written as Tn of x plus Rn of x. Okay, where Tn of x is not, where Tn of x is equal to f of a plus f dash of a into x minus a plus f double dash a by 2 factorial into x minus a whole square plus so on plus f power n of a by n factorial into x minus a whole power n. Here Rn of x is equal to f power n plus 1 of c by n plus 1 factorial into x minus a whole power n plus 1 for all a less than c less than x. So here Rn of x is called as remainder of order n or error term for the function of f of x by Tn of x over I. Okay, so here Rn of x is called remainder of Taylor series of order n. Okay, just remember this statement. Okay, no problem. So next I will give you small note. Write down small note. Write down note. If limit n tends to infinity Rn of x is equal to 0 for all x belongs to I, then TS, Taylor series, generated by f of x at x is equal to a. CGT means convergent to f of x on I. Okay. Therefore, f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity f power n of a by n factorial into x minus a whole power n. Okay. If limit n tends to infinity Rn of x is equal to 0 for all x belongs to I, then Taylor series generated by f of x at x is equal to a convergent to f of x on I. Okay. So here Rn of x approaches to 0 as n tends to infinity for all x belongs to I, then we can say that Taylor series generated by f of x at x is equal to a, which is convergent to f of x on interval I. In this case, we can write f of x has summation n is equal to 0 to infinity f power n of a by n factorial into x minus a whole power n. Okay, just remember this note also, students, no problem. Okay.